The 2018 Buick Cascada new for 2018 review from Automobile News Channel. Subscribe now. The 2018 Buick Cascada is now available in 3 new colors: Ryanter Red Metallic, Dark Moon Blue Metallic, and Kerosene Metallic. The Dark Effects package for the Sport Touring trim is now available with the Ebony Twilight Metallic and Summit White exterior colors, in addition to Sport Red. 2 new roof colors include Malbec and Sweet Mocha. Vehicle summary: the 2018 Buick Cascada is a front-drive, 4-seat convertible and Buick's first drop-top since the Reatta, which was produced from 1988 to 1991. Overview: the 2018 Buick Cascada is powered by a 1.6-liter turbo 4 with 200 HP and 207 pound-ft of torque, that comes paired exclusively to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Torque rises to 221 pound-ft when the engine goes into overboost for a short period of time. EPA fuel economy ratings are 21/29 miles per gallon city/highway. With the roof up, there's 13.4 cubic feet of trunk space, but that shrinks to 9.8 cubic feet with the roof down. Standard features include 20-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, leather upholstery, HID headlights, 10-way power-adjustable front seats, dual-zone climate control, a 7-speaker audio system, Bluetooth connectivity, Buick's IntelliLink infotainment system with a 7.0-inch touchscreen. Navigation, a heated steering wheel, 4G LTE connectivity, and a rear-view camera. Options include front parking sensors, fog lights, alloy sport pedals, and the Dark Effects package, which includes red contrast stitching in the interior, piano black trim, gloss black side mirror covers, and body-colored fog light accents and rear accent moldings. Safety: the 2018 Buick Cascada received a 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA, out of a possible 5 stars. Forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and automatic headlight control are available as part of the driver confidence package.